Hey everyone, so I've got my heated ice cream scoop. Now the seller did send this to me so I can go ahead and show you all the features. I absolutely love this. This is so cool. So we've got a power button right here with LED readout. Since we turn it on, it's going to give me the battery life, and then it's going to go ahead and show me the temperature. This does get up to 158 degrees. Right now it's 82. As I leave it on, it's going to start climbing. Now you want to hand wash this. Don't put it in the dishwasher. On the bottom side here, this is where we're actually going to go ahead and charge this up. This is just a dust cover that it does come with it. And it comes with this little spoon holder. If you want, you can use it and just clip it on there like that and then put it like right there. It does come with a charging cord right here. It's type C, so this is the same type of cords that you would use to charge a tablet or a phone or really any electronic devices. Right now you can see here it's already up to 114 degrees. Now I do have a typical ice cream scoop, but when I take the ice cream out of the freezer, it's very difficult to do that and it's kind of hard on my wrist. But with this getting up to 158 degrees, it just makes it so much easier whether you're an adult or a child. Hope you found this review helpful.